Hi, this is Charlie. I just got my, I just ordered it and got it's, it's a Logitech wireless speaker adapter. What this does really it brings Bluetooth into your house, into your home. You connect it to your receiver or any speaker that you have. You can connect it. There's two ways of connecting it back there, through the jack there or through your RCA connection. It's a really small box, palm size. It's from Logitech, from on Amazon for like, I bought it for like $35, $36, and that's it. You just plug it in, turn your power, and I have it connected to my Zoom. You can have up to 6 different devices connected to it. And I'm gonna turn on my receiver before it's on already, and it's already synced. It's really easy to sync. You can see the blue light is right now. The green light is looking for any Bluetooth device that you want to sync. And put on my music. My Bluetooth is already on. I already sync it. And you choose a song. I'm gonna pause here. So I'm gonna go into my settings. You go into your settings. That's on my Zoom, so it might be different on your system. Into my wireless, Bluetooth, and it's already in here. So all I have to do is it's here, but it's not paired. It paired but not connected. So I'm gonna connect it, and we're here, right here. It just went on. Back to music. And it's good to go. So now you have music directly from your, I don't want to play that music too loud because YouTube will allow me to post that video. But as you can see, try to go to another song quick. You know what, I'll play one of my island music. Let's go to Toronto. But also, I have my, it also works from your phone. This is my HTC Thunderbolt. And like that also, you go to your settings and you go to your wireless, you go to your Bluetooth, and you do the same thing. You press your sync, it's looking again. You press your device, it's connected, and you go back to your music. And you go to play some. Here we go. So you can play music from anywhere in the house. I have no complaint. Oh yeah, I have no complaint about it. I can play music from almost another room, from anywhere around the house. You can control the volume also on there. Turn it down, volume control, and like I said, it plays from any Bluetooth device. It's a Logitech wireless speaker adapter. I got it from Amazon for like $35, $36. It's a good piece of device to have. I mean, it's really small. You can hide it anywhere you want. You can mount it or hide it, or I just put it on my receiver. It's right here. So again, this is Charlie. Another video, 2012. See you later.